When the heart stops, it needs to be jump-started. The AEDs will provide that electrical impulse to restart that heart. You could find AEDs across the city. It sounds complicated, but it's not, and we're going to show you how to do it. As soon as the AED is available, turn it on and follow the prompts.
Connect electrodes.
Place the pads like the pictures show. The AED will analyze the heart rhythm. Make sure no one is touching the patient. Say clear in a loud voice.
Clear.
If the AED tells you to deliver a shock,
Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised.
push the shock
Stay
button.
clear of patient. Press the flashing orange button.
After delivering
now.
the shock, or the AED says no shock, resume CPR. Continue this process following the AED prompts until medical help arrives or the patient starts breathing normally. Early intervention and CPR saves lives.